Okay, welcome back. And now this part we're going to have a look at the pre-execution environment and the effect of missing drivers there. So I'll kick off the install straight away. Now this boot.wim is from the recovery environment, and that tends to have, well, it does have more drivers than the normal one, but not all of them. I'll tell you how to get a recovery environment boot.wim file in another video. But in the meantime, let's have a look at the drivers. So it's using PNP util. And we're going to have a look at the network ones. So it's found two of them. Okay, fair enough. But if we have a look at, well, PNP util, and we'll have a look at the problem drivers. Problem. Right, so, well, straight on it, look, there's okay, a webcam, not interested in, but a network controller. That's kind of important. Now, looking at it, you can see it's a 8086, that's Intel, and the device is 0082. That means we need to find that and install it. So I'm going to pause the video there. Okay, so now we're going to search for that missing driver. The device was 13218086, so let's just use find string, see if we can find that. Look in subdirectories. 1321, and it's in schoolboy error. Okay, so it's found it, which is rather annoying. So it's available in Windows 10, but not in the Windows recovery, or incidentally, just the regular boot.wim. So what we're going to do is snag a copy of it and load it into boot.wim. Now, what's rather interesting is there's, as you can see, there's two. One in OF and one in ending F8. So I'm just going to see what's in those directories, why there are two. So that's the F2 one. And you can see there's no cat file, which means that's not signed, in which case it won't install when it if it was injected into boot.wim and WinP started up, it wouldn't install it. Why they've included that, I really don't know. It's just, so that was F2, this is F8, and that one does. So we need to take a copy of that one. Now, to make this easier, or to make it actually even possible, I've created a PowerShell script that looks for, where's the mouse gone? It's looking for when class equals .net. So we only want to load the net ones. We don't want all the other drivers like accelerometer. It then starts looking and searching for right. Oops. I'll just highlight the. It's searching for a cat file. and if it doesn't find one, it skips it and says not this one. So it's only going to copy the ones that are going to load properly. It first of all reads it from temp windows.inf. Now that is the expansion of the boot file. So the next thing to do is to expand the boot file, boot.wim, with dism. So dism, and we're going to mount the image, and the image file is boot index 1, and we're going to put it into temp. Spelled file wrong. So this is expanding it into a directory called temp, and hopefully it won't take too long. It's not huge, this boot, yet, because it doesn't have any of the network drivers in it. But I'll pause the recording anyway. Okay, that's it finished. So it's mounted, it's downloaded boot.wim into temp. So let's have a quick look at temp. Here it is. And you can see it looks like a sort of fairly ordinary Windows System 32, etc., etc. So this is Windows PXE, pre-execution environment. So now the next thing to do, having done that, is utilize the drivers that we've just extracted into the directory drivers to add them to the image and recreate a boot.wim file that we can use to actually boot to Windows PXE with all the drivers that we need. These drivers are going to be with certificates, so it all should go really well. So I think next time we'll show you how to create a new boot.wim with dism. Okay, thank you.